Hello riders, gearheads, and speed lovers. This is Bike News, where rubber meets road and legends come roaring back to life. Today we're trading 2 wheels for 4, because a name from the golden age of American cruising has fired up a brand new engine. Yes, the Chevrolet Bel Air, a symbol of 1950s Americana, is officially back for 2026, and it's every bit as jaw-dropping as the whispers promised. 1. A legend returns. Picture jukebox tunes, neon diners, and long summer nights on open highways. In the 1950s, the Bel Air was more than transportation. It was a cultural statement. It embodied optimism, style, and freedom. Chevrolet's designers know that history. Their 2026 reboot isn't a copy and paste of the past. It's a bold reimagination, blending retro soul with modern muscle and eco-smart tech. 2. Exterior design, retro meets aero. The silhouette is unmistakable. Long hood, confident stance, sweeping chrome belt line. But look closer, and you'll see a 21st century edge. Active aerodynamic shutters, hidden door handles, and a floating roofline that channels airflow like a supercar. Standard 20-inch turbine wheels nod to classic hubcaps, while optional 2-tone paint jobs pay homage to the 55 and 57 icons. Midnight copper over ice blue, pure nostalgia. LED rocket tail lamps echo the famous fins of yesteryear, while matrix headlights carve the night with razor precision. 3. Powertrain options. Chevy didn't just bring the Bel Air back for Sunday shows, they built it to move. Buyers get 2 headline choices. Bel Air eDrive, a dual-motor electric setup punching out 480 horsepower and instant 680 newton-meters of torque. 0 to 60, a claimed 3.9 seconds, with launch control that will paste a grin on any driver's face. Bel Air LT4 Turbo, a 3.0-liter inline-6 with 48-volt hybrid assist, delivering 420 horsepower while sipping fuel like a compact. Both pair with adaptive suspension and a choice of rear or all-wheel drive. Range for the EV, up to 480 kilometers, EPA estimate, thanks to GM's latest Ultium battery tech. Fast charging to 80% takes just 28 minutes on a 350 kilowatt DC station. 4. Interior, lounge of the future. Step inside and the retro-modern mashup continues. Picture jet-age cues, wraparound dash, twin-pod gauges, blended with a 17-inch curved OLED center screen and a fully digital driver cluster. Real metal toggle switches click with satisfying heft, and soft-touch door panels carry a subtle 57 Bel Air pattern. Chevrolet offers a cruise night ambient mode, soft turquoise and coral lighting inspired by neon diner signs. Seats are finished in vegan leather or optional recycled wool blend, each stitched with contrast piping and memory foam comfort for cross-country cruises. 5. Tech and safety. Every 2026 Bel Air ships with Chevy's latest Super Cruise 3.0 for hands-free highway driving. A full 360-degree camera suite makes parking drama-free, while next-gen collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, and cross-traffic alerts are standard. Over-the-air updates keep the infotainment and driver assist features fresh. For the eDrive, bi-directional charging means the car can power your home, your campsite, or your tailgate party for up to 3 days. 6. Sound and emotion. Classic cruisers had rumble. Chevy delivers it in 2 ways. The LT4 Turbo sings through an active exhaust that deepens as you press the throttle, giving that unmistakable American growl. For the electric version, an optional Heritage soundscape pipes a subtle V8-inspired soundtrack through hidden speakers, programmable from mellow purr to Saturday night growl. Whether you want silence or soul, the Bel Air has you covered. 7. Driving experience. Handling has been tuned for both boulevard cruising and backroad carving. Magnetic ride control adapts 1,000 times per second, soaking up potholes or stiffening for tight curves. Steering is precise, yet relaxed. Think classic grand touring feel with modern confidence. Optional rear-wheel steering shrinks the turning circle to city-friendly dimensions, proving that a large coupe can dance in tight spaces. 8. Limited First Edition. To honor the launch, Chevrolet will release a numbered First Wave series, 1,957 units, a wink to the legendary '57 Bel Air. Each carries a dash plaque, signature two-tone paint, polished chrome accents, and a trunk kit with a commemorative jacket and a vinyl record featuring era-correct rock and roll classics. Collectors are already circling their calendars. 9. Price and availability. Production begins late summer 2026 at GM's Detroit Hamtramck plant. Pricing starts around $48,000 for the hybrid and $62,000 for the e-drive. Pre-orders open worldwide next month, and insiders say early allocations will sell out fast. So if you want that first wave badge, be ready to click at midnight. 10. Why it matters. In an age of anonymous crossovers and silent EVs, the Bel Air's comeback is a shot of soul. It proves that heritage can drive innovation, that a design born when Elvis ruled the radio can still quicken pulses in the EV era. For Chevrolet, it's more than nostalgia. It's a strategic halo car, drawing attention to the brand's electric future while celebrating its gasoline past. For drivers, it's a chance to own rolling history with tomorrow's Tech 11. Community and culture. Car clubs across the globe are already planning Back to Bel Air rallies. Expect to see classic and modern versions parked side by side, chrome glinting in sunset light. Aftermarket tuners are gearing up, promising everything from performance upgrades to custom paint reminiscent of 1950s pinstriping. This isn't just a car, it's a movement that unites generations of enthusiasts. 12. Closing call to action. So riders and road trippers, what do you think? Is the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air your next weekend cruiser, daily driver, or collection centerpiece? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and stay tuned for our first test drive review, coming as soon as Chevy hands us the keys. Until then, keep the rubber side down and the legend alive. This is Bike News. Signing off, A's.